and my mother-in-law's furnace part 2. Here's actually what that post-purge for the inducer motor looks like. And it's just tied in. You see green, common, red. My green is actually a call for heat. And that's how this timer works off of. And all my previous tags.